Welcome to the Nucleus distribution tutorial. This video will describe how the Nucleus System components can be distributed from the development system to facility computers. You must start your distribution process by inserting a USB memory stick or an external drive into a USB slot on your development computer. After that, you can either copy the A_NCS_distribution directory to a shared network drive, or you can use the external drive and physically connect it to every target machine. Do whatever is easier for you. The first step in distributing your control system is setting the IP addresses for each of your distributed communication servers. Also, be sure to advance your distribution version. It will display on the client's HMI station for reference. Now watch closely as we place the required installation files, the directories, and the project database onto an external drive for distribution. To recap, a standalone HMI station only requires a single installation, but a networked installation requires at least 2 HMI stations, and a third install of the communication server and the logic server applications onto a computer server. There would be more if redundancy is required or more HMI stations are desired. You can place several different projects on the same distribution drive, provided you have enough memory available on the memory stick or external drive. Also, once you build the distribution once, try to reuse the same USB drive, because once installation files are placed on the drive, they will not copy again if they already exist on the drive, and this will save you time. The following illustration shows the directory structure of the distribution. The distributor application is located within the distribute directory. The only other directories to be concerned with at this point is the license requests directory, where your runtime requests will be placed, and the license directory, where you copy your runtime licenses once purchased. To demonstrate loading the distribution onto a client machine, we will access the USB we created and start a distribution process. So watch carefully as we proceed. Once you have collected all of your runtime license requests, upload them into your customer portal for purchase. And when you receive your runtime licenses for each application for each computer, place those licenses onto your distribution drive so you can use the license distributor to install those runtime licenses. You only have to do this once. After that, you will only be updating the application versions and the project databases as needed. This concludes the tutorial on control system distribution. Be sure to view this section in the Help Center for more detailed information.